I'm going to teach you a lesson. I'm going to get the pistol to come kill you. I will go take a walk. Oh no! The bird is dead and is dripping blood all of the street. Robin, what happened? The bird just attacked me. They ate my shirt. Oh, I will buy you a new one. I will replace it. I will replace it. I will get it fixed. Good. I will go take a walk anyway. Oh no! What happened to the bird? What happened? Robin just killed the bird with a pistol. Oh, it's okay. I will place you on the street, down of the street. I'm going to create a funeral for this bird.